How to log into Clydesdale Bank Credit Card on an account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on accessing your Clydesdale Bank Credit Card on an account. So begin by opening any web browser on your computer or your mobile device and search for Clydesdale Bank in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links. You're supposed to click on the Clydesdale Bank official website. Click on the link that indicates the Clydesdale Bank Personal, Business and Private Banking. Click on it and you will enter into their official homepage. From this page, you have to locate the login option that is highlighted in red color in the right hand side of the screen. Then click on Login of the Internet Banking. After you do that, navigate through the steps as prompted until you reach the Continue to Virgin Money Internet Banking option. Here you will be guided to the login portal of Internet Banking. And here you have to enter your details such as your username or the customer name in the first field. And after you do that, click on Continue and follow the on-screen instruction prompts. But in the case, if you have forgotten your customer number, you can just simply click on this link over here. And you have to enter your sort code and your account number and click on Next and follow the on-screen instructions to retrieve or reset your customer number. Or you can also enter the personal details instead of using your username or the customer number. You have to enter your first name, your last name, date of birth, gender, your address, and click on Continue. After that, enter your password when prompted, and upon successful authentication, you will be granted access to your online banking dashboard. Navigate to the credit card section and select the appropriate link or the tab to access your credit card account information, including balance, transactions, statements, and the account details. If you wish to apply for a new credit card, you can initiate the process online by filling out the application form and awaiting the approval from the bank. So that concludes the instructions for accessing your Clydesdale Bank Credit Card on an account. If you have any queries or uncertainties, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And remember to like and subscribe for more informative tutorial like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.